Welcome to Math with Somya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this, we deal with the word problems. The first one we have taken from NCERT exercise 4.3 question number 4. Question says the sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's age in years we are talking 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. So let us take, whatever is asked, let us take that, his present age. Let present age of Rehman be X years. And 3 years ago, the age will be X minus 3 years. And 5 years from now, what will be the age? The age is X plus 5 years. 3 years ago, so before 3 years it was X minus 3 and X plus 5 years. And what is given here? The sum of reciprocals of. So we have to take the reciprocals. Sum of reciprocal of these is equal to 1/3. This is our equation. So now we have reached our equation. We simplify and proceed further. Take the LCM. X minus 3 goes X plus 5 here. Plus X plus 5 goes X minus 3 here. This is 1/3. So adding here 2X plus 2 divided by X square plus 5X minus 3X minus 15, which is equal to 1/3. So this is 2X plus 2 divided by X square plus 2X minus 15 divided by 1/3. So on cross multiplication, 3 into 2x plus 2, this will be x square plus 2x minus 15. This will give us 6x plus 6, x square plus 2x minus 15. Taking everything on the right hand side, x square plus 2x, this will come minus 6x minus 15 minus 6, which is equal to 0. X square minus 4x, this will be minus 21, which will be equal to 0. This is what final quadratic equation we got. Simplifying this, we get the value of x. So x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So here 7 into 3 we can do easily. 7 3 is 21 minus 7 plus 3 can give us minus 4 minus 7 plus 3 into will be giving us minus 21. So take x square here minus 7x plus 3x minus 21, which is equal to 0. X common, x minus 7 plus 3. So x minus 7 we will get. So this will give us x minus 7 x plus 3, which is equal to 0. So x minus 7 is 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. Age cannot be negative. So you can write here age cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 7. So we can say here Rehman's present age is 7 years. So all the steps are important. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this sum, we are taken from NCERT exercise 4.3 question number 5. The sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So let us take, let marks of Shefali in maths be X and English be Y. Given sum of the marks is 30. So Y can be taken in terms of X because we are doing the quadratic. And now, and she had got 2 marks more in mathematics. So maths marks now is X plus 2 and English marks she got 3 less in English. English is Y we have taken. English is Y. So Y minus 3. And product of the 2 is 210. Now on solving this we can get the answer. X plus 2, Y value we have taken 30 minus X. So we can substitute Y here, 30 minus X minus 3 which is equal to 210. From 1 I shall say. Now this will be X plus 2. This is 30 minus 3, 27 minus X which is equal to 210. So this will give us 27X minus X square plus 54 minus 2X which is equal to 210. Now this will give us 27 minus 2, 25X minus X square plus 54 minus 210 which will be equal to 0. So we shall continue further. Taking on the making X square positive, taking everything on the right hand side. So this will be X square minus 25X plus 210 minus 54 which is equal to 0. X square minus 25X. So plus this will give us 6, 5, 156 which is equal to 0. So now we will solve this by factorization method. (156), take the prime factorization. This is 12 and 13. If I take 13 and 12 will give me 25. Both I will put minus. So minus 13 into minus 12 will give me plus 156. So we can take this X square minus 12X minus 13X plus 156 which is equal to 0. Take an X common factor. X minus 12 minus 13 common factor. X minus 12 which is equal to 0. Here X minus 12 and X minus 13 which is equal to 0. So we get the two values of X here. We can say X minus 12 is equal to 0 or X minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12 or X is equal to 13. So we take the marks of both X and Y here using the value of X. So if we are having the English marks here, so if X is equal to 12, then what will be Y? Y is 30 minus 12 which will be 18. If X is equal to 13, Y is 30 minus 13, 17. So finally you can give the answer. Marks of maths will be 12, then English marks will be 18 and marks of maths, if it is 13, then English will be 17. So both the marks you have to give here. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.